What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are heading down south and we're going to Clam Gulch Recreation Center. So, never been there before. We're going to be exploring it and seeing what's out there, what camping options we got. I know, she's so fast. Good girl. Alright guys, so we are fishing over at Johnson's Lake right now. We're just trying to catch some trout. Johnson Lake is a stocked lake by Fish and Game. It's starting to rain. It's nice and quiet out though. It's a pretty small lake. There's one little parking lot. Actually no, we're at Centennial Lake. We're actually at Centennial Lake trying to trout fish. And pulled off on the side of the road, free parking. The unfortunate thing about free parking is you get a ton of trashy people that camp out. And so they leave a bunch of beer cans, a bunch of trash around here, so unfortunately it's in the water, so we can't go pick it up. Pick up trash, don't leave trash. That's your public service announcement for the day. Yes, dog.
Want to double cook.
We're making fajitas tonight.
Don't forget the vegetables.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Because it'll be the same. Oh yeah. Some red bell peppers, orange bell peppers, onions.
What's this sauce?
Fajita packet.
Fajita packet sauce. All right.
Chipotle lime.
We got some pepper jack. Chipotle lime. All right, tell us about your fajitas, yo.
Self-seasoned chicken, Anaheim
But you guys
peppers,
pre-cook these too.
Yeah,
Yeah, you guys
bell
pre-cooked them.
peppers,
They're just warming them up.
onions.
This is kind of like my grill right here.
Yeah.
Do you guys like this? Does it actually get pretty hot? Or?
It gets super hot.
Yeah. What I don't like is there's no, like, I have problems with like my windscreen on
Yeah,
mine. So
we
I try and
usually
use
keep that
this.
up. Yeah.
Yeah. I liked it because I only ever use the single burner. But the Triton, this is what I've been looking at upgrading with. This is the Triton.
Very nice.
I don't know, guys. Comment below, double burner or single burner? More space, less space? That's kind of why I got this one. It was because it was less space.
Like, I was usually used to, but they like make breakfast and coffee at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Like bacon and
Play
eggs.
with the beer.
My coffee, I make it with my jet bowl right now, so I don't use the double. What kind of beers we got tonight?
We got prickly
pear,
6.9. We got some locals, Alaskan hazy
Limited
Bay.
release.
Matanuska Brewing Company.
This stuff
from
is
Palmer,
good.
Blueberry Ale.
All right, guys, because I love organization, I have to look at Joe's because she's the ultimate organizer. Everything fits pretty much perfectly in here. All right, switch sides here. Each one of these, some labeling on here. Fire starter, everything that is fire starter outdoors. Cutting board, spatulas, tongs, everything for the kitchen, I think. And some vitamin C. And some other pills. camping mugs, cups, sugar, coffee, koozies, and one more over here, sponge, Ziplocs, etc. Camp organization. This just strikes a chord at my heart. Joe, you're my type of people.
I'm leaving the Cheetos. Should I leave the Cheetos? Should I bring the Cheetos? Bring it. Hi.
Like right here?
Oh, no food for you.
It's shells, Rio.
Leave it.
I don't even want that.
But you know, marshmallows aren't perfect.
Good morning, everyone. So we are making some percolator coffee this morning. And some reindeer sausage breakfast burritos tonight, this morning. Right.
They weren't sure when you were waking up.
No, I mean them.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone else. So what, like 10:30? Yeah.
I guess they didn't have too much to pack.
She's like chilling, huh? She's so tired.
Have that scheduled. We don't schedule that far out technically. Yeah. And then maybe they just forgot.
Alright guys, so we are packed up and ready to go. Clam Gulch was definitely fun. It was not too bad. It is $20 a night though, so something to keep in mind. It is a little bit pricier. But overall, I mean, the bathrooms were super clean. There was a lot of spots open, and the beach is, you know, a 10-minute walk away, so it's super accessible that way. So I'm checking out a couple spots off iOverlander that I found, and right now we're on Snug Harbor Road, and so we're just kind of checking things out, see if we can't find any camp spots. Couple good trails. Look at that. This little area right here. Nice. It's kind of hidden. I mean, this is one of the spots on iOverlander. Oh snap, there's actually a couple back here. That's freaking cool. Look at that. There's another little area there. Right on the water. Not bad. I got Rio on a leash because there's a couple trapping signs posted, so didn't want her running around. But man, I think this is going to be our next destination. Right on the water. Alright, so that was a super awesome spot that we just found. On the way back home now. Again, thanks for watching all the way to the end, guys. That camp spot that we found is probably going to be definitely on my must-do this summer. Right off the water. I love off-the-water camping spots, so I'm always on the lookout for something new like that. And I love exploring the back roads of you know, towns that I've usually passed through. So Cooper Landing, I usually pass right through Cooper Landing. I don't really stop too much unless I go to Wildman's for, you know, some ice cream or something. Well, yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe if you want to see more camping adventures. I appreciate it. Thanks again, guys.